Hi, this is Looking Total Parts Pro. Today the 2015 Ford E86 stock on the Cinnamon 282. It's run from the 4th 2012 to the 9th 2016. It's an FA20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by 6-speed manual transmission. This is the FA20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 18-inch aftermarket wheel bit tyre, left-hand door mirror. Left rear 18-inch aftermarket wheel bit tyre. Right rear 18-inch aftermarket wheel bit tyre. Right front 18-inch aftermarket wheel bit tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Manual gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory touch screen. Single stack stereo. Front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,